Today we will learn how to construct and interpret a box plot. Yeah, hope you still remember. You will learn this in Form 4 for a set of group data. So let's refresh your memory. We look at this. So for a box plot, you have this tail. You call it whiskers. Whisker. You have two whiskers here, and then there is a box. Okay, there is a box, and the box is divided into two. Yeah, and you will have five values. Yeah, 5 numbers. The first number is your minimum value. Yeah, minimum value. This one is your maximum value. Yeah, all this you can get from your OGIF. Yeah, okay. The third value is your first quartile. The second value is your second quartile, and your fourth, the final is the fifth one is your third quartile. So you have 5 values to plot, and you have to use graph paper. View shape of distribution in a box plot, and we will see all the shapes. Yeah. Okay. The first one is the median. Okay, you know that the second quartile, Q2, is the median. The median lies in the middle of the box. You can see here, this is the box, and it lies on the middle, right on the middle. And the whiskers are about the same length. It's the same length here. Yeah. So this one you call asymmetric distribution. Yeah, asymmetric distribution. The second one, B, the median cuts the box into 2 different sizes. Yeah, different size. You can see here is longer than this one, shorter, smaller. Okay, if the left box, this one, the left box is longer, and you can see it's longer, then the data distribution is left skewed. Yeah, it's called left skewed distribution. If the right, I use what about green? If the right side of the box is longer, yeah, this one, it's on the right side. Yeah, right side is longer, then the data distribution is called right skewed. Yeah, right skewed distribution. Okay, this one easy to understand. And this one, the left whiskers and the right whiskers represent the score outside the median. Okay, if the box is divided into same size, okay, same size. Let's say this box divided into same, oh, this is not the same. Let's say this is the same, the same size, but the whiskers on the left is longer. Let's say this one, and this one is shorter. So you call it, the distribution is left skewed. Yeah, and vice versa. If the other's right is longer, so it is called right skewed. Can you get it? Okay. If you actually you can draw this one. this is like the normal distribution, yeah. And this one is, you can see the tail here, the viscous, actually it is on the left, so it's left skewed. And this one, the tail is here, skewed to the right, yeah. So you have to remember all these points that I've said just now lah, and this one. Okay, now we go to the example. Yeah, look at the example 11. Or give, this one on the right shows the masses of gram of 90 star fruits. Okay, construct a box plot based on the OGIF. So from this OGIF, you have to find how many value? You have to find 5 value. Okay, the first one is the minimum value. Minimum value is here. Okay, the second one, maximum value. Where is maximum value in the graph? Of course here, at the end here. Yeah. And number 3, you have to find your Q, the first quartile. Yeah? First quartile, use the formula 1/4 times with your total frequency. Yeah, the highest frequency, the total frequency. You can see from this graph, the maximum here. The highest frequency is 90. So you times with 90, you get 22.5. The position of Q1 is on 22.5 on the y-axis. So you go find from in the y-axis 22.5 here. Yeah. Okay. And then you find the value on the x-axis. So you'll get 116. Okay, 116. This is your Q1. Okay, next, your second quartile is 1/2 times 90 is 45. Yeah, 45. The position is the 45th position. So 40, between 40 and 50 is 45. This is 45. So you just find it in the value in the x-axis. It is 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is data number 4. Remember, we have to have 5 value. So the last one is the third quartile. Use this formula times with the total frequency. You have the 67.5. The position is 67.5. 67.5 is here. Yeah, and then you can find the value here. It is 1, 2, 8. When you have got all your 5 values, minimum value, maximum value, your first quartile, second quartile, third quartile, now you can draw your box plot. Yeah, how to draw? You have to use graph paper, and then the scale, you use the scale as the one here. Yeah, use the scale here. Start with 80, 90, 100, and up to 150. So you just plot all the values. First you plot the minimum value here. Yeah, the minimum value. Then you plot your maximum is 150 here. Okay, next is your first quartile, 116. 116 is here. And then your second quartile is here. Third quartile is this one. So what you do, you connect this one, the viscous, to the first quartile, and this one, viscous, to the third quartile. Then you make the box, and the box must be the same length here. You can choose here 6 units and here also 6 units. Then you connect this one and this one. Okay. Okay, when you have done with your box plot, then you can say about the distribution. Hence, state the distribution shape of the data. So you look at this data. First, you look at the box. What do you see? The left box is longer, yeah. So you can say that the data is skewed to the left because the left side of the box plot is longer than the right side of the box plot. And also you can see the tail is also longer. But first you must check the box first. When the box, you can see the difference, left or right is bigger, then you can answer D. But if it is the same length, the same size, then you look at the whiskers. You look at the whiskers or the tail. Okay. So with this information, with this knowledge, you can do 7.2b. Question 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay.